Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, it is trading at a level of $1.6800. Okay, and chances can be high it can move further down. But if you look at the dollar index also, you have to check that the dollar index for this week is continuously down, so we can see there can be a chances that the natural gas price can come up if the price of dollar index move down. Okay, after making out of the zone of $3 and $2, we have seen it has made a half around 3.5 and 3.6. Okay, and if the price of natural gas started below a level of 1.68 again, we can see there is a chances that it can move below a level of 1.6, and from there a probability of going towards 1.58 we can see, and then a further down. See, a clear indication is forming in this particular. We can see that if the price started falling below 1.6, there is a trend forming that it can move further down. So once started moving below this particular range, then we can see a probability of seeing 1.5 also, and then from there a level of around 1.4. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price can move, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, now if you look at the dollar index, what we can see, there is a continuous weak downfall we have seen. Looking at this, a red candle is forming. Okay, so if the price move below a level of 1.8, we can see a further fall, but if it sustain above a level of $1.1, $104.1, a further high. Okay, so if the price fall below 103.8, a downfall for the dollar index, which will in turn increase in the price of natural gas. But if it move above a level of 104.1, we can see rise in the dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of natural gas. Okay, for this particular week there is a continuous fall in the price of dollar index we have seen. So natural gas price, you can see a weak price, we have seen a rise is happening, so opposite hammer trend is forming. So suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can move towards a level of 1.86 to a level of 2.212, and then from there a level of $2.1650. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining above that level, we can see a level of $2.3650. Okay, and then if the price rising above that level, a further upside towards a level of 2.5 we can see, and from there a level of 2.8. Okay, and this trend will support if the price started going above level of 2.5, then chances of going towards 2.8 we can see, and then you can see it can cross a level of $3. Okay, because a trend will form towards a level of 2.7. Okay, so chances can be high, a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $3 we can see towards a level of 3.4. Okay, because this is the high after moving out of the $3 zone, so chances are high that if the price fall move above a level of 3.4 towards, we can see a level of 3.6, and if the price sustain above that level, a further upside movement we can see, because there will be a zone breakout will happen. Okay, and this level we have seen after 2023. Okay, so chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, and then we can see a level of 3.8 and to a level of $4, and this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1. Okay, now understand, see, market is always uncertain. If you think that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. So always trying to setting your SL, that will save your capital, so that you can take n number of trades. Okay, because see, and decide, if once you're in profit, always try to trail your profit, because trailing your profit will save your capital and even your profit, so then you can take a bigger risk. Okay, and but you have to decide what amount of risk you are taking for a day or for a particular trade, so that capital also be saved and your profit should also be made. Okay, this is all what I'll teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding, and we can work out on the timings. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 1.6179, and from there a probability of moving towards a level of $1.59. Okay, and this is the low of this particular zone, so chances can be high if the price fall below 1.59, a probability of touching towards $1.5294 we can see, which is the low of this zone. So once started moving below this level, we can see it will fall below $1.5, and chances of going towards $1.480 we can see, and then there is a chances of touching 1.4, then to a level of 1.3 also, because we can see this level will be an all-time low, and this level we have seen after around 5 or 10 years, and even more because it's an all-time low. Okay, so chances can be high a further fall towards 1.4 to a level of 1.3 and then to a level of 1.4 also we can see. Okay, and if the price fall below 1.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.